Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you made the sale, now it's time to ship your Vinted order properly. So shipping quickly keeps buyers happy and improves your ratings. Vinted even gives you clear instructions after each sale. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go basically and walk through the full shipping process step by step. Let's get started. So go all the way if you are using Android or even iOS, access the Vinted app. Open the app, log in using your email address and password, then go through the inbox and open the completed order. So for me, I'm just gonna go through the Vinted.com website, same steps, log in using my email address and password, then tap on this inbox icon. I'm gonna go now and look for the completed order so I can download or access my shipping label. Pack the item securely in a box or mailer, it depends on you, then attach the shipping label firmly. Drop it off at the selected, basically carrier location. As for an important note, ship within the allowed handling time, usually a few days. As for more tips, use protected packaging for basically fragile items, anything including glass whatsoever. You can also take a photo of the package before shipping so you can send it to the buyer. I mean, they're gonna feel better once seeing their basically product and all of this. As for a pro tip, ship as soon as possible. Faster shipping often leads to better reviews, and that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.